Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing this beautiful halo eye and halo lip because it kind of looks the same. I was like having so fun earlier with the puns, halo eye, halo lip. So we're going to do this beautiful makeup look today. And if you want to see how I did my eyes and my lips, make sure to watch all the way to the end, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and more. So let's get into makeuping. Okay, so I changed the angle of the camera a little bit, so if I look weird or different, it's because the angle is different, okay? So I just had to tell you guys that, but like in every video I do this, I don't know why, but halo eye today. We didn't do that in so long, and I am so excited to be doing one. I am so scared at the same time because my hooded eyes like to do its own thing. The flip-flop on my eyelid likes to move all the time, so like the halo eye is not halo anymore. It's like doing this weird thing sometimes, but we're gonna attempt to do another one, and we're gonna make it cute because we're gonna go into this beautiful quadrant palette from Pat McGrath Labs, and I feel like it's gonna be super cute with my orange. I was gonna say green. Orange hair. This is so nice. This color is like golden green going to pink. And I feel like the tones is just going to be kind of like a contrast with the orange. We're staying within that realm of things. It's going to be cute. So I'm going to start with this eye like always. And going into this beautiful kind of mahogany brown color right here. I'm just going to coat this. And I'm going to be looking really forward, relaxed. And just apply this all around. All right, so this is going to be the shape. And I know I did all around, but trust the process. I like to do this that way. So I'm just going to go and put some paquet all the way down right here on the side. And I already primed my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. And then I pack. Kind of like not in a straight motion. As you can see, when I open my eyes, it does like this a little bit, you know. We want triangular type of stuff, so that's what I'm doing. I'm packing it at the inner corner, keeping that shape on the side. So this is the sketch. It looks pretty. I'm like, whoa, okay. And then I'm gonna go right under with that shade as well. We're gonna stay within the same shade. And that's the tricky part. I have a lot of like lines and texture, and I know I'm only 23, okay, but my eyes is just genetics. It's not because I'm old. We can have little lines and stuff even when we're young. So sometimes I do have to put the makeup in a certain way so it kind of fills in the cracks. But it works pretty well. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing under the eyes. I'm going to leave an open space. So I'm going very carefully in the inner corner. Let's do some weird faces together. I'm like, open more. Wow, this is such a beautiful color. So now, before I pass to the other one, I'm just going to take this, and this is a clean brush, and I'm going to slightly, very, very slightly, you know, like I just want to move the pigment. I'm going to slightly go around and then buff the edges. Usually when you start, you have to just trust the process because most of the time it's never going to look like you want to until the exact finish line of your makeup look with the lashes, because if you don't have any lashes, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna do the other eye real quickly just to see and concentrate on that thing, because oof, girl, having two eyes the same, usually it never works. The best trick that I can give you, my lashes, the best trick that I can give you is go really little by little. So you do the first eye the way you like it, and usually you want to do the hard eye, because if you do your easy eye first, then you're gonna have a harder time with your hard eye. So I like to start with this one because this one just have an overall just better shape always. Like if I do it first or after, it always looks better. So I start with the bad one. And then I do this thing. So now it looks pretty similar. As you can see, like the holes look kind of really the same. So now you just want to intensify that pigment. So we're just gonna pat, pat, pat. I take the same brush because I really like this one. It's really easy to blend everything. So, but first I have like a little paper wrap down there. I remove the excess product. I even have my brush cleanser that I can do if ever there's too much pigment. And then I just go and I blend the side again. And I'm not moving it like this. I'm just going on the line. So I'm following the line just to move the outside of the pigment and not the inside. All right, so we have to choose between these gorgeous colors. I know I want to use this kind of foily duochromy eyeshadow, and I'm gonna mix it with probably all of them. I'm probably gonna use all of the colors, to be honest. I'm like, which one should I choose? Every single one. So I'm gonna go with the foil one because this is the darkest. Hopefully this works with this brush because my nails are way too long to go with this. So no, this is so pretty. Okay, so I go along the lines that I did all the way to the top, and then I kind of cross over to the mahogany shade. I'm bringing the sparkles on the outside. Since it's a halo, it has to have that really beautiful glitter. So already it looks nice. I like to do like sparkly halo eyes. I feel like, I don't know if a matte one will look great, but so far these colors just look so beautiful. And then I feel like I want to put this under as well. All right, so there's space for the inside, but before I put any other lighter color, I'm gonna go with the other side because we still want to have this that's gonna be equal, you know. And I think I'm gonna change mirror for that one. I'm like, this one is so dirty. Oh my god, excuse me. And then for the fanner, if I put the brown, it's not gonna show up. So I'm gonna go with the light one. I blend the inside and the outside. So the thing is, it's like, it's not as sparkly as I thought for this one. Am I sad? Kind of, a little bit. I think I'm gonna have to use something else for this one because I thought it would be like brighter than that. But I have right to solution for this one. Oh my god, for the end, this is the Jaclyn. I can't even talk, okay? So just a Jaclyn Hill loose highlighter. I'm gonna put this. You're gonna see the difference. It's gonna be insane. Insane. So look at the difference. This is the Jaclyn Hill one. This is just the regular Pat McGrath one. We need the Jaclyn Hill one in our lives right now because it's so bright. It's so bright. Like, I can't have the duochrome and nothing on the inside. It needs to be as sparkly or more. This is exactly like a New Year type of vibe. I think my New Year is kind of late compared to the rest, but it's okay. Right, like the bright one, I'm gonna put it right under here. If it even wants to stick. Whoo, okay, so my lashes are put. I found a new technique. I have to show it to you guys one day because it's just so much better. There's so much less glue on this technique. It's just insane. Anyways, and the lashes just stay on all day. It's insane. Anyways, why didn't I do the video right now about that? No idea, but it's okay. It's gonna be coming next. Like, I have to separate all the videos, but anyways, this is cute. What do you guys think about these lashes? I think it's very amazing. You know what? Actually, these lips are very comfortable. I've been trying out a product and it's just so great. Like, my lips feel so better, so much moisturized, and it's like, it's shiny. I don't like shiny usually, and this is just insane. Anyways, it's good. But I'm gonna be doing a matte lipstick like usual because I want kind of like this matte look, except for the eyes. Like, I want this to be the start of the show. So I'm gonna be removing whatever I have on my lips right now. They're kind of sticky from that thing. So I feel like it's going to be a great prep for the rest of my lips. So, which color? I'm like searching in my head which lipstick I should do. I want to do something that looks similar to my eye look because this is very orange. And I feel like the duochrome eyeshadow is going to take that orange a little bit. I'm going to do an experimentation. So I'm going to start with brown. I have a beautiful color, but it's too bright. So I feel like if I use like a brown shade as a lip liner, and mix it with the other one, it's going to be better. So let's try this out. Blending. Even just like that, oh my god. Even just like that, it looks really nice. Oh. And my laptop's gonna die, just a sec. We are back. My laptop didn't die. I feel like this is not too crazy. It kind of goes with what I have. This is also Pat McGrath. It's like a halo mouth. Halo mouth. It fits. It fits. It fits. So then I'm going to go back with the lip liner and just kind of blend it. You know, we want something smooth. So what do you guys think about my halo lip? Oh my god, halo lip. Maybe I should put another color in the middle. Yes. I'm like taking all the colors possible. Okay, this is another Pat McGrath. And, oh, not this side. I thought it was going to be more spectacular than that, but I feel like this color right now is just where it's at, and we're not going to touch it anymore because we're going to ruin the makeup. So anyways, I feel like this color combination, like this wig with what we're having right now, is just very beautiful, and I love what I'm seeing. I feel like it fits. It's not too orange, it's not too pink, it's not too brown. Everything is kind of together and it looks absolutely beautiful. So anyways, that's the vibe today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. It was a little makeup tutorial. We didn't do that in a while, and I especially didn't do a halo eye in a while, and we can see it here with all of these beautiful makeup stuff in here. So that's what it is. So that's the final look. And if you liked it, make sure to like the video, comment down below what you want to see next. If you want a halo eye, crazy stuff, other stuff, you know, I don't know, comment down below. I would love to know. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.